So like I promised in my last video, here's a new video of the updated exhaust and tune with my car. I'll do a little rev in my driveway, and I'll also do a bit of a flyby. So I hope you guys enjoy. So hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to follow the project some more, feel free to. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. It's great to support the channel. This video is sponsored by Sickspeed, so I'll throw their link in the description below. If you want to check out their stuff, go right ahead. They make some pretty good products. Thanks, guys.